Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Because of coronavirus, we can't continue our study. So, our study is hampered greatly. As a result, I have come before you taking some themes and I will discuss before you step by step. I am Devashish Kumar Das, Assistant English Teacher, Madanpur Secondary School, Monirampur, Jashore. So today I will discuss about completing sentence. It is so important for the students. Most of the students can't give appropriate answer in the exam. Okay, so I will try to discuss before you about completing sentence so that you can get good marks from here. Dear students, so our today's topic is completing sentence. Completing sentence. Okay. Before studying these topics, I will tell you a thing. There are two parts of completing sentence. Here we see question is given here, and by seeing this question, we have give correct answer. For this reason, we have follow. We have to follow the rules. Okay. First, I will discuss before you taking conditional sentence. First rules. Conditional sentence. Okay. Conditional sentence. Condition Bangla means shorto yukto bakko. Dear students, there are three rules here. First is, at first we see if. Bangla means jodi. This is conditional sentence, and we start conditional sentence with if. Okay, plus subject plus V1 plus object. Okay, this is condition, and this is result. Subject plus can, shall, will plus V1 plus object. According to meaning, we will bring can, shall and will. According to our meaning, that is written before or after the sentence. Okay, I will give you an example here. If you work hard, here we find this is the condition. If you work hard, this is the condition, and after by seeing this condition, we will try to give answer, correct answer. Okay, so at first we have to see the condition, then apply our rules. Okay, if plus subject plus V1, if plus subject plus V1 means present indefinite tense. If we see present indefinite tense, we have to maintain, we have to apply this structure. Okay, subject plus can or shall or will plus V1. V1 means verb present group. Okay, so we have to bring subject. Then at first we have to see condition, and then we have to write result. Okay, subject. At first we have to bring subject. So if you work hard, you will everything. You will. Here, if you work hard, so you will. Then we have to bring verb 1. Verb present group. Verb present group. Okay, dear students. So we have to bring verb present group. We have to mean this word. If you work hard, this is condition, and then we have to bring the result. You will prosper in life. Prosper in life. This is result. Okay. If you do this, if you work hard, if you do this, you will prosper in life. This is first condition. Okay, dear students, now we will write the second condition. We know if means Bangla means Jodi, and then I will write here rules number 2, and we have to change here. Okay, would, could, might plus V1 plus object. Okay, dear students, this is the second condition, second rules. Now I will give a example here. If you worked hard. Okay, dear students, condition may be may have last or first. Okay, we are to see in the exam at first and then condition. Okay, okay, at first we have to see condition, then answer the correct answer we have we have to do. Okay, a plus subject plus V2 means verb past group, then object. Okay, then we have to bring subject. Here you do the work, so you will be the subject. Okay, then would, could, might you can bring here according to meaning. Okay, you could, if you worked hard, you could shine in life. Okay, if anybody works hard, he or she can reach his or her goal. Okay, then if you worked hard, you could shine in life. Okay, so condition may have last or first. We have to see, and then we have given correct answer. Okay, you could shine in life. Okay, dear students, then we have to go next rules number 3. Subject plus at first if plus subject plus at plus V3 plus object. Here we can write past perfect tense. Okay, we have right here. So I have written here head plus V3 so that a student can know it easily or identify easily what types of tense it is. Okay. Then subject plus would, could, might plus have plus V3 plus object. Dear students, at first we have to see the question and then identify what types of rules here present. Okay. Here we have seen 3 rules: first, second and third. Here condition first, second and third. This is the third condition and we have to maintain the rules. Okay. Then I will give you example. Okay. If you had visited the new place. Okay. If you had visited the new place, this is the condition, and then you will bring the correct answer according to your structure. Then you have to bring subject. Okay. If subject had verb 3 visited and object the new place. Okay. This is the object, the new place. Then you have to bring subject. This is subject. Here I want to say something. If you work something and you will get that or benefit, you will get. You also get the our subject will be you. Here we have seen you. Then you have to bring would, could, might. Then have. Then you have to bring verb 3, verb past participle group according to your meaning. Okay. If you had visited the new place, you could have got pleasure. Okay. New place, or we can write here got new experience. New experience. Okay. If you had visited the new place, you could have got new experience. Okay. Or you could have seen the unknown, the unseen. Okay. Dear students, according to meaning, you have to complete the incomplete sentence. Okay. Dear students, this is the conditional sentence and we have seen here 3 rules. According to rules, you have to complete incomplete sentence in your exam hall, and I hope you will get this in your exam. I hope and we will be able to give correct answer. Dear students, now I will teach you our new rules here. This is reasonable sentence, means Bangla means karon যুক্ত বাক্য. According to our rules, we have to try to complete the sentence. Okay, at first I will write the rules. At first, because of, owing to, due to. This is reason. Okay, plus possessive form of subject. Plus noun form of adjective. Then you have to bring subject plus verb plus adjective. Okay, this is the rules, and I have to give you example. Because of his illness. Okay, dear students, according to structure, we will try to complete this incomplete sentence. And this is reason, because of his illness. This is reason, and because of reason, that event or that matter has happened here, we will bring according to our meaning. Because of his illness, here he, subject, this is subject, this is subject. Okay, and then verb. According to our meaning, we have to bring verb, because of his illness. Okay, so I will give you the rules so that you can understand easily. Subject plus cannot, subject cannot plus B1 plus object. You can bring here cannot. Okay, it is always negative. Cannot go to school. Okay, this is the result. Because of his illness, he cannot go to school here. Okay, dear students, according to our meaning, this is the correct answer, I think, and you will try to correct answer according to your question answer. Question meaning, you have to bring correct answer. Okay, dear students, I think you have understood, and you will be able to give the correct answer in your exam. Okay, and I hope you will get good marks from here. It is so difficult topics, completing sentence. Here we find one is complete and another is incomplete. According to our seeing the complete sentence, we have to complete the another. Okay, incomplete. Dear students, you will see, or you will memorize the rules and try to answer the question. Okay, dear students.